नमस्कार एंड सुप्रभात बच्चा पार्टी। कल के पीडीएफ में हाँ शाम को मिला ना, दिस पार्ट इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड। ठीक है, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम लेट अस स्टार्ट अवर वर्क। algebraic identities which we have already gone through the entire thing last year in standard 8. Algebraic identities, factors to expansion, मतलब हाथ में गुब्बारा लिया, that is your factor, और गुब्बारे में मतलब जो है इन्फ्लेशन, मतलब हवा भरा गुब्बारा फ्लाइंग, is known as the expansion. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी, द फैक्टर्स आर x प्लस वाई, एक्स प्लस वाई। आपने देखा एक्स एक्स कॉमन, वाई वाई कॉमन, एंड इन बोथ द ब्रैकेट द साइन ऑफ प्लस। दैट मीन्स इट कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटर्न एज x प्लस वाई द होल स्क्वायर। नाउ दिस इज नथिंग बट अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बाइनोमियल्स। दोनों ब्रैकेट में देर आर टू टर्म्स and we are going to take the product, that is the multiplication. What we will do, we will open the one bracket and we'll multiply it by the another bracket. Say x into bracket x plus y plus y again into bracket x plus y. Now carry out the multiplication. X into x, x square, positive positive positive, x into y, xy, plus y into x, yx, plus y into y square. Now in between xy both are positive like terms. X, y and yx is nothing but a like term. So what we are going to do, we are going to perform the addition, and the outcome is x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this becomes your identity to get the expansion of x plus y the whole square. मेरे बच्चे इसको कैसा याद रखेंगे? x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. That becomes your identity. Now while factorizing आपने देखा the first term and the last terms are positive, दोनों positive हैं, and perfect square. X square is also a perfect square, y square is also a perfect square. After समझिंग this, now let us proceed to another identity. Identity number 2, x minus y. आपने देखा मतलब x and x common, y and y common, and in both the bracket there is a sign of minus, that is the subtraction, which can also be written as x minus y the whole square. Now again पहले की तरह open one bracket x and then put x minus y, again x minus y, carry out the multiplication. X into x, x square, plus into minus x into y, xy, minus into plus minus y into x, yx, minus into minus plus y square. That gives you x square minus yx minus xy are nothing but a like term. दोनों के बीच में there is a sign of minus and minus. Sign will remain minus, but we will carry out the addition, and that gives you 2xy. Last term is positive y square. So how we are going to remember? X minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Here also if you go through and observe the thing, first and the last term, that is x square and y square, both are positive and perfect square. So first two identities, x plus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, and now you know the outcome. The first में outcome is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second में the outcome is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now let us have third identity, that is x minus y, x plus y. If you observe, x and x common, y and y common, but what is the farak? What is the difference? Sign minus and plus. Both are binomial and we are going to carry out the multiplication, that is the product of the binomial. Open the bracket x and then write x plus y minus y and again x plus y. Carry out the multiplication. X into x, x square, plus into plus, plus x into y, xy, minus into plus, minus y into x, yx, minus into plus minus and y square. Now here if you see xy and yx, both are like term. But this time one is positive and one is negative. So what we do? We cancel both the terms and final outcome is x square minus y square. So if x minus y, x plus y are the factor, then expansion part is x square minus y square, which can be written as x minus y, x plus y is equal to x square minus y square, and it is also known as difference of two perfect square. अब आपने देखा x square perfect, y square perfect square, and the sign is minus, that is known as the difference. चलिए लास्ट नहीं फोर्थ आज के लिए identity is x plus a and x plus b. Now observe the thing, a and b are some real number, a value is different, b value is different, but what is common is x and x. Now here it is plus, here it is plus. जब हम एक्चुअल करेंगे तो देयर मे बी ए माइनस का साइन ऑल्सो, x प्लस ए, x माइनस बी, और x माइनस ए, x प्लस बी, और इट कैन ऑल्सो हैपन x minus a, x minus b, but we are supposed to remember the identity. ठीक है, हम आइडेंटिटी को याद रखेंगे और फिर अगर हम अपना काम करेंगे तो 101% you will get a सही जवाब. Now open the bracket x and then write x plus b plus a, x plus b, carry out the multiplication, x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus x into b, xb, plus into plus, plus x into a, xa, plus into plus, plus, and a into b, ab. Now these two are not like term. xb and xa both are positive, but they are not like term. But there is something common. दोनों में एक जैसा क्या है? Yes, x and x. So dear friends, what we are going to do? We are going to write x square. Then taking x common, what is remaining? A plus b, x square plus into bracket a plus b into x, and the last term is a into b. That becomes your identity. कैसे याद रखेंगे? x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus b multiply by x plus last term is ab. So these are the four identities, but these are factors to expansion. उसके बाद हम उल्टा करेंगे from expansion to factors. क्यों? कि यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इन बोथ मैनर. वन इज एक्सपांड द फॉलोइंग, अनदर इज फैक्टराइज द फॉलोइंग. दोनों तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व यूजिंग द सेम आइडेंटिटीज. ठीक है बच्चों? ओके देन, चलो आगे चलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 16, एंड वी विल टेक रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 2.5. एग्जाम्पल और उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन from the exercise. Okay bachas, now what is example number 16? Find the product, that is the multiplication, using appropriate identities. मतलब जहाँ जो identity यूज होती है, हाँ उसी से हमें उसे solve करना है. The very first is x plus 3, x plus 3 आपने देखा it is 2 times x plus 3, x plus 3, which can be written as x plus 3 the whole square. Which identity we are going to use? x plus y the whole square, which is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Write the question x plus 3 the whole square and then x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, which finally gives you x square plus 2 3s are 6x और 3 का square is 9 becomes your final उत्तर. The second is x minus 3 and x plus 5. अब यहाँ पे देखा x and x common. a का वैल्यू क्या है? -3 and b is +5. Yes, definitely we are going to use the identity number 4, that is x plus a, x plus b, which gives you x into x, x square plus a plus b into x, and the last term is product of a into b. Write the question and try to solve it. X and x, x square plus a is -3, so we are going to put -3, b is +5 into x, and last bracket -3 into 5. Now simplify. X square is x square, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2x, and negative into positive gives you -15. So minus becomes plus and minus becomes minus. and your answer is x square plus 2x minus 15 is your sahi jawab. Related question from exercise 2.5, that is question number 1. Same thing, use suitable identities to find the following products. The very first question is x plus 4, x plus 10. My dear friend, here 4 means A and 10 means B. So we are going to use identity number 4, that is x plus A into bracket x plus B, which gives you x square plus A plus B x into the product of A and B. Put the values accordingly, write the question, x and x square plus 4 plus 10 into x, and the last term multiplication of 4 and 10, that is 4 into 10. Finally, your answer is x square plus, both are positive, 10 plus 4 14, x and 4 tens are 40 is your sahi jawab. Similarly, x plus 8, x minus 10. Now here A is positive and B is negative. So write the values of A and B along with their sign. X plus A and x plus B, again the outcome is x square plus into bracket A plus B x plus A into B. Now we are going to write the same question, x plus 8 and x minus 10. X square plus 8 minus 10 x plus 8 into minus 10. Finally, we have to take the product. X square plus, now 10 is greater, sign is minus, so we will write minus 2 into bracket x, and then positive into negative gives you negative 80. Uske baad we are supposed to write x square, positive negative becomes negative 2x and positive negative becomes negative 80. So your final answer is x square minus 2x minus 80. कर लोगे खुद से, पक्का मैंने लिख दिया है, चलो ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, y स्क्वायर प्लस 3/2 एंड y स्क्वायर माइनस 3/2. हाँ, समझ में आ गया. दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? y स्क्वायर एंड 3/2, बट देर इज अ डिफरेंस इन साइन. वन इज पॉजिटिव एंड वन इज नेगेटिव. याद आ गया, x प्लस वाई, x minus y, x square minus y square. Using that identity we are going to solve. Y square plus 3/2, y square minus 3/2, y square we are going to write y square the whole square and minus 3/2 the whole square. Now 2 into 2, that gives you y raised to power 4 and minus 3 square is equal to 9 and 2 square is equal to 4. So your final uttar is y raised to power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Similarly, question number 5 सारे कर दिए मैंने, एग्जाम्पल भी कर दिया और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के भी सारे कर दिए हैं बोर्ड पे, पीडीएफ में भी है. जैसे आपने कहा 3rd और 5 हम खुद समझ के कर लेंगे, तो ऑल द बेस्ट. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Example number 17. Example number 17. Evaluate 105 multiplied by 106 without multiplying directly. Multiply करना नहीं है, सीधा सीधा multiply नहीं करना है. We are supposed to use the identity to get the product of 105 and 106. So dear friend, 105 can be written as 100 plus 5. And 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. Now 100 common, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Definitely we are going to use the identity x plus A, x plus B, which gives us x square plus into bracket A plus B multiplied by x plus A into B. And finally 100 and 100, 100 square, 5 plus 6 into 100, and the last is plus 5 into 6. Now 100 square turns out into 10,000, 2 zeros, so square में we are supposed to put 4 zeros. Then 6 plus 5, 11 into 100 gives you 1100 and 6 5s are 30. क्या करना है? Plus, and your outcome is 11,021 is your सही जवाब. Exercise 2.5 related question to the example 17 is question number 2. Evaluate the following without multiplying directly. यहाँ पे मैंने आपकी सेवा में सिर्फ एक सम्स किया है, सिर्फ एक, that is question number 3. That means question number 1, question number 2 and question number 4, what you are supposed to do is try. बात समझ में आ गई? 1, 2 and 4 you are supposed to try. चलिए 95 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 96 जिसका मतलब होता है 100 माइनस 5, 100 माइनस 4. ठीक है. नाउ अगेन a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. We are going to use identity x plus a, x plus b, which gives us x square plus into bracket a plus b multiplied by x plus a into b, and we are going to solve 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4, 100 common, so we will write 100 square plus minus 5 minus 4 into 100, and last is plus into bracket minus 5 minus 4. 100 20 square, we are supposed to make it 4 zeros, so it turns to be 10,000. Both are minus, so minus, perform addition, that gives you minus 9 into 100, and minus into minus become plus, that is 5 into 4 gives you 20. Now 10,000 plus 20 minus 900 प्लस करो माइनस करो, आउटकम इज 9120 इज योर सही जवाब. तो दोस्तों यहां पे आई होप एग्जांपल नंबर 17 इवैल्यूएट भी समझ में आ गया, एंड उससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज 2.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का पार्ट 3 भी आपको समझ में आ गया. एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप जैसे बच्चे अगर घर पे ट्राई ना करें और अगर ये कोई कहे तो ये मानने लायक बात नहीं, बिकॉज आई नो माई बच्चास दे विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नहीं, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों, आगे चलना है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 18 एंड दैट इज फैक्टराइज, मतलब वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Last year also and this year also, when you see such a trinomial, then first of all you are supposed to find out of 3 how many perfect squares are there and whether the given perfect squares are positive or not. सबसे पहला काम करेंगे. So 49a square is perfect square, positive. Last term 25b square, perfect square, positive. Then 70ab is the middle term, empty, that is to be verified. समझ में आ गया. perfect square, middle term, that gives you the idea to use the identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square can be factorized as a plus b the whole square. Now 49 means 7 square and a square, that gives you 7a the whole square plus 25 5b the whole square. Now verify the middle term, that is 2 into 7a into 5b. Take a multiplication of all the three ones. 2 into 7 14 5s are 70 ab, middle term is verified, and we can say 7a plus 5b the whole square, which can be written as 7a plus 5b, 7a plus 5b, and this is how we can factorize the trinomial. Question number 2, 25 upon 4x square minus y square upon 9. Two terms are there. In between there is a sign of minus. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find whether the first term is perfect square. Yes, 25 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, x square is a perfect square, so we can say perfect square. Second term, y square upon 9, y square is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, so we can say perfect square, and in between there is a sign of minus. तो हमें याद आ गई किसकी? x square minus y square, 2 perfect square and sign of minus, that means एक ब्रैकेट में माइनस और एक ब्रैकेट में प्लस, दैट इज x minus y and x plus y. Based on this identity हम करेंगे 25 upon 4 can be written as 5 upon 2x the whole square minus y square upon 9 can be written as y upon 3 the whole square, then one time plus and one time minus, that is 5x upon 2 minus y upon 3 and 5x upon 2 plus y upon 3 becomes your सही जवाब. इसमें ना समझ में आने वाली कौन सी बात है ना दोस्तों? आ गए ना उसी से रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज 2.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फैक्टराइज. तीनों कर दिए आपके लिए, तीनों, हाँ डेफिनेटली. हाँ 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. First term, last term, perfect square positive, verify the middle term. 9x square can be written as 3x square, y square can be written as y square, and in between middle term 2 into 3x into y, 3 2s are 6xy, verified. आपको क्या करना है, 3x plus y the whole square which can be written as 3x plus y एक ब्रैकेट में 3x plus y सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में, and that is your सही solution. Now question number 2, 4y square minus 4y plus 1, how many terms are there? 3, trinomial. Find out whether it carries two perfect square and they are positive. So yes friend, 4y square is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect square positive, middle term is to be verified. 4y square can be written as 2y the whole square and 1 can be written as 1 square. Now what is the middle part? So that is minus 2 into 2y into 1, verified. 2 2s are 4y, verified. So from here we will write 2y, take a sign of minus, and 1, put a bracket and whole raised to square, which can be written as 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1, and that becomes your सही जवाब. Question number 3. हाँ पता चल जाता है. How many terms are there? 2 terms. 1 is x square is a perfect square, y square upon 100 is a perfect square, or in between there is a sign of minus, that is the difference of two perfect square, one time plus, one time minus. Now x square can be written as x whole square minus y square upon 100 can be written as y upon 10 the whole square. Then x minus y upon 10 is the one bracket and x plus y upon 10 is the second bracket, and this is how we factorized all the 4 sums, that is one from the example and another from 3 from the exercise. तो दोस्तों कल के PDF में ये दोनों बातें, लास्ट वीडियो मतलब yesterday's video and today's video consist of explanation of last PDF जो आपको कल शाम को मिला है. ठीक है दोस्तों, अगली बार कुछ नई आइडेंटिटीज लेके आपके सामने उपस्थित होंगे. तब तक बाकी है तो पूरा करो, नहीं समझ में आता है तो समझो, पूछो, क्लैरिफाई करो, एंड वर्क रेगुलरली. स्टे एट होम, बी सेफ. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय.